Hello, my name is Hazel, and today we are going to make some slime. The ingredients are glue, and you put half a cup of glue. And next is 3 cups of shaving cream. Next is half a teaspoon of baking soda. Next is 1 tablespoon of activator. Also, there is a wet cloth. You're going to need that if you're messy. And next is a bowl with a spatula. I just use the spatula for scooping the shaving cream out of the cup. Last, dye. You need that to make it colorful anyways. Those are all the ingredients that we need to make it. Pink. Okay, now activate it. I am finished my pink, fluffy, strawberry, spidery cotton candy thing. That's what I call it sometimes. And also, here's some tips. You might need a lot more activator for the slime than you think you do sometimes. You should also put activator on your hands all the time when you're kneading it. That's what I did. That's why it's not sticking to my hands, barely. Sometimes with this slime, you might need a parent to help you because at first it is very hard to mix because it gets stuck everywhere because you get lots of shaving cream in it anyways. Woo! Bye. See you on the next video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Bye, everybody.